a star, a star, a star, like a star, a star, a star, a star, like a star, a star, a star, a star, like a star, a star, a star, a star, like a star.
That you cause, our pain is getting stronger, like an open wound without the gauze. It's on my brain, driving me insane. It's on my mind all of the time, and if it left I would be fine. All because I feel the pressure, it's coming down on me, it's turning me black and blue.
Then shit get blown way out of proportion. Way past discussion, just you against them, pick one in Russia. Figure you'll get your hair, that's next. They don't wanna stop there, now they bustin'. Now you gushing. I'm a land rushing you to the hospital with a bad concussion. Plus you hit 4 times, bullet hit your spine, paralyzed way down, now you wheelchair bound. Never mind that, now you lucky to be alive. Just think it all started, you fussing with 3 guys. Now your pride in the way, but your pride is the way you can fuck around, get shot, dying today. Niggas die every day, all over bullshit. Dope money, dice game, ordinary hood shit. Could this be cause of hip hop music? Or did the ones with the good sense not use it? Usually niggas don't know what to do when they're back against the wall, so they just start shooting. For red or for blue or for blow, I guess. From Bankhead up to your project. Ain't no more straight, now I'm straight. Now I get it, now I take time to think before I make mistakes, just for my family's sake. That part of me left yesterday, the heart of me is strong today. No regrets, I'm blessed to say the old me dead and gone away.
I've been